Hello children, here is your Anjali Miss, teacher of Toddledom, back with the new topic, that is the picture top. Today we are going to see few pictures of a place where there is lots of water and the wave of the water roars. The place where we can see sand all around us, everywhere, and we like to play with the sand. Can you guess, children, which is this place? Correct. It is the beach. So today we are going to see few pictures of beach and we will talk about it. Are you ready, children? Can you see this beautiful picture? Can you tell me which place is this? Yes, excellent. This is a picture of a beach. A beach is a place where you can find lots of sand on one side and on the other side you can see the sea. I am sure, children, most of you have visited our beach. It's lots of fun, isn't it? We go to the beach with our family and friends, and there are so many things we can do there. Can you see the children playing? Wow! What have they built with sand? They have built a beautiful sand castle. What do you use to make a castle? We use a spade and a bucket. In this picture, can you tell me what this child is playing with? Yes, this is a surfboard. Children, surfing is a sport of riding on a wave towards the shore while standing on a surfboard. Can you see the huge waves? It is so much fun. We also play the other games with our friends. Can you see the children are playing with ball? You can also go for sailing in the boat. Isn't it exciting? And the most enjoyable of all games is the swimming in the cool waters of the beach. Remember, children, it is always safe to wear a floater when you go for a swimming. Make sure when you go for swimming, there is someone to watch over you, your parents and a lifeguard. Can you see the lifeguard watching over the children? He is there to keep you safe. After all this excitement of playing on the beach, if you get tired, you can take rest under the shady umbrella, watching the lighthouse and collecting the seashells. I am sure you are hungry by now. You can drink soft drink, juices or coconut water. Going to the beach and spending full time is very exciting. I am sure you all love going to the beach. Isn't it, children? I hope you like the presentation. Thank you. So children, hope you all like our visit on the beach through different pictures. God willing, we will meet soon. Till then, take care and bye-bye.